Royal Enfield has now a single-piece rally seat, priced at 4,950 Indian rupees. This seat is designed to provide greater comfort and support during off-road rides, making it easier for riders to navigate challenging terrains. Benefits of the rally seat. 1. Enhanced comfort. The flat design of the rally seat provides better support during long rides. 2. Improved riding posture. Facilitates a more aggressive riding position, beneficial for off-road scenarios. 3. Durability. Built to withstand the rigors of adventure riding. Conclusion. The launch of the rally seat and other accessories positions the Royal Enfield Himalayan 450 as a formidable contender in the adventure motorcycle segment. With its robust specifications and focus on rider comfort, it appeals to both seasoned adventurers and newcomers looking to explore off-road trails.